Hello, my name is Colonel James Cpl III, and I am the commanding officer at Marine Corps Logistics Base, Albany, Georgia. In 2010, the Secretary of the Navy announced 5 energy goals for the Department of the Navy. One of those goals was to make all Navy installations net zero consumers using solar, wind, ocean, and geothermal power generated on base. This video provides a snapshot of MCLB Albany's renewable energy efforts as we strive to be the very first base in the DoD to reach net zero.
I'm Sergeant Major Kenneth A.G., the Base Sergeant Major. While electricity, fuel, and water continues to power our bases and stations, the cost of energy is on the rise. Any interruptions in these resources put our installation at risk.
The WPT Hill Building 3700 is home of the Commanding General of Marine Corps Logistics Command. It is a 180,000 square foot, 3-story structure, 400 tons of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning requirements for the 800 occupants. The original conventional HVAC equipment consisted of 2 natural gas boilers for heating and 2 rotary type water chillers with 1 cooling tower. In 2015, using Energy Conservation Initiative Program construction funds partnered with Environmental Security Technology Certification Program design funds, the HVAC renovation was completed using the first U.S. installed borehole thermal technology geothermal heating and cooling system. Construction cost was $5 million to upgrade the 425-ton system, supervised by the Naval Facility Engineering Command. The goal was to obtain 30% HVAC energy savings using renewable resources. The measurement and verifications for the first 4 months indicate better than 50% energy savings and 80% water savings of 2.4 million gallons per year.
Building 3700's mechanical room contains state-of-the-art heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment, which consists of 5 dual water-cooled heat pumps for a total capacity of 425 tons, and 2 chill water supply and return pumps for maintenance redundancy. Heating is provided by a 4-row distributed variable air volume system using water at 105 degrees Fahrenheit. There are 2 redundant 400-ton high-efficiency adiabatic dry coolers outside next to the well field. With this equipment, we are obtaining precise energy management, squeezing for each and every BTU.
The 3-acre borehole thermal energy storage well field includes 306 wells that are each 210 feet deep, located in concentric circles to regulate underground water storage temperature in the karst limestone aquifer. The adiabatic dry coolers are used to balance the well field storage, resulting in an extended life of the field to beyond 30 years. A conventional unregulated well field would be spent or overheated within 7 years due to the South Georgia climate.
Marine Corps Logistics Base Albany is currently producing 20% of our electrical and steam energy in this landfill gas to energy plant. This plant was constructed by Chevron Energy Solutions and is operated by Energy Systems Group under the Department of Energy Energy Savings Performance Contract awarded by Navy Facility Engineering Command. In a few months, the plant will be able to produce up to 40% of our energy needs from landfill gas, natural gas, or a blend, with the installation of additional landfill gas and heat recovery steam generators at a 40 to 60% savings from conventional energy sources. Constellation Energy will operate the additional generators under another Energy Savings Performance Contract, all made possible by our partnership with Dougherty County.
In an effort to achieve net zero status at the base, we have been working since 2011 with a number of partners to include Naval Facilities Engineering Command, CHM2 Hill, and our neighbor Procter & Gamble to develop an energy savings performance contract to install and operate a large steam-to-electric generator powered by biomass-fed steam. This plant and the associated smart grid we are developing under this contract will ensure that our annual power demand is met with renewable fueled energy produced on the base. We have chosen Constellation as our energy service company for this project and plan to be online by 2017.
To go along with the Net Zero project, we're incorporating smart grid technology and developing a fully integrated systems architecture. This will give us real-time data analytics, increasing visibility, improve process efficiency across our division, reducing our overhead, enable us to use energy more efficiently, reducing cost, and will take us to the next level of becoming a data-driven organization.
Over the past 5 years, our installation has exceeded many of the energy mandates through the combination of own installation, energy alternatives, production, and energy demand reductions through various projects.
In addition to reaching the mandates, our energy projects are generating a positive economic impact, not only for Marine Corps Logistics Base Albany, but also for the Southwest Georgia region as a whole.
The Marine Corps has invested roughly $1 billion on installation energy efficiency and renewable energy efforts over a decade ago.
Investment in technology have clearly impacted the cost of energy, but technology investments are not enough to drive the Marine Corps to meet its energy goals.
Changing the way we use energy is essential to preparing this installation as well as the Marine Corps as a whole for the future. What we've done at Marine Corps Logistics Base Albany will make this base net zero energy consumers far ahead of the Secretary of the Navy's mandate.